highly unusual result just appeared at the absolute top of the leaderboards for enterprise AI agent testing. In the current testing landscape, there is a strict presumed math. Massive parameter counts and expensive compute cycles dictate higher benchmark scores. The assumption is that if you pay for raw reasoning power, you get better task completion. This is a scatter plot mapping the current enterprise agent landscape. The horizontal axis measures model size and compute cost, while the vertical axis tracks the actual task success rate. The standard frontier models form a predictable cluster right in the middle, trading heavy compute for marginal gains in performance. But there is a glaring anomaly. An agent powered by an infrastructure layer called Nexus, rather than a frontier model, plots all the way at the top left. It solved roughly 47% of the tasks on the benchmark, taking the absolute #1 spot. It achieved this while running at 74% less cost per task compared to standard agents lacking a dedicated knowledge layer. A much smaller compute footprint just outscored the largest models on the market. That breaks the linear correlation between raw compute spending and multi-step task completion. To understand how a structural layer beats sheer model size, we have to look at the exact constraints of the test. This is a demanding open benchmark for enterprise agents. It measures 3 strict pillars: testing multi-step reasoning, adherence to complex corporate policies, and coordinated use of external tools. When a raw generative model faces these specific constraints, it typically struggles. Giving an agent access to external tools without enforcing strict policy guidelines forces the model to guess which actions are permissible, leading directly to process failures or fabricated data. The system that bypassed these failures introduced a specific architectural variable known as a knowledge layer, in this case, Pinecone Nexus. Nexus operates as a specialized knowledge engine. It ingests an enterprise's internal data and workflows, then formats them into governed, agent-ready context before the model ever attempts to reason. In real-world enterprise environments, the data and retrieval infrastructure feeding an agent actually dictates performance far more heavily than the specific base model powering the logic. The technical question is how intercepting that data before it hits the model mathematically outscores the model's own raw reasoning capacity. We can isolate the mechanics of this discrepancy by looking at a standard deployment target: enterprise customer service and support automation. In this environment, conversational fluency is a secondary priority. Absolute retrieval precision and strict adherence to company return policies or support limits are the metrics that actually drive success. This split-screen architecture shows exactly where standard deployments hit a bottleneck. On the left, we have a standard frontier agent, complete with counters tracking model calls, tool calls, and the total operational cost per task. Without a governance layer in place, an initial user query flows directly into the raw reasoning model. The model attempts to execute a tool call, but because it lacks governed context, it violates a system policy and is forced to loop back. Instantly, our tool and model call counters tick up. The model then initiates a second retrieval sequence, iterating through uncurated internal databases to find the correct parameters. This triggers another loop, driving the API counters even higher. After multiple iterative cycles, the model finally pushes a response. The total compute cost spikes accordingly. In engineering terms, this constant multi-step iteration is called API thrashing. Thrashing burns through compute resources and drastically increases the latency of every single task, making the agent slower and highly inefficient to run. Furthermore, repeatedly loading disparate pieces of context into the prompt during these loops degrades the model's effective attention window. As that context window fills with fragmented search attempts and policy rejections, the statistical probability of the agent hallucinating in a production environment climbs rapidly. Standard architectures force the reasoning engine to act as its own data engineer, a dual role that practically guarantees system bloat and performance degradation. Now look at the alternative architecture utilizing a dedicated infrastructure layer. Pinecone Nexus sits directly between the raw enterprise data and the reasoning model. Instead of the model doing the hunting, the query hits the knowledge layer first. Nexus performs high-speed internal logic loops, connecting with databases and enforcing policy guardrails securely off-model. Nexus then formats that data and delivers the fully governed, mathematically correct context to the agent through a single, unfragmented call. the model simply reasons over perfect data and pushes an output immediately. By resolving the context off model, the Nexus agent requires exactly half the number of tool and model calls compared to the standard setup. Having those API calls preserves the model's attention span, keeping the context window pristine and focused strictly on reasoning. Delivering streamlined, pre-governed context directly translates to better execution, boosting overall task accuracy by 12%. And by eliminating those constant API loops, the total operational cost per task plummets by 80%. The knowledge layer mathematically optimizes the entire agent loop. It completely removes the structural inefficiencies of traditional retrieval-augmented generation. These architectural metrics have immediate implications for the broader enterprise AI market. For the past 2 years, the prevailing market belief was that frontier AI labs, the companies building the massive base models, would capture the majority of the financial value in enterprise deployment. The data from this benchmark invalidates that assumption at a structural level. Simply increasing a model's parameter size does not resolve complex workflow routing, nor does it fix enterprise retrieval bottlenecks. A massive neural network is inefficient if it spends all its compute searching for the correct internal file in the dark. Structuring and governing the data payload before it ever reaches the reasoning engine is the actual fulcrum for scaling enterprise AI. This dynamic opens real, highly competitive market space for specialized infrastructure vendors to win enterprise contracts based entirely on verifiable execution rather than brand recognition. Raw inference capabilities are steadily becoming commoditized. Governed data retrieval is emerging as the premium bottleneck dictating operational success. Over the next 3 to 6 months, this data will trigger a distinct behavioral shift among enterprise engineering teams. This animated timeline shows how testing methodologies are changing. Currently, enterprises spend resources weighing isolated base models from different labs against one another. That's rapidly becoming obsolete. Moving forward, enterprises will benchmark their full agent stack as a single integrated unit, evaluating the knowledge layer and base model together. As a result, infrastructure vendors will increasingly publish head-to-head performance data, challenging the raw outputs of the major frontier labs directly. In regulated real-world environments, retrieval precision and strict policy enforcement will consistently outrank raw generative size. The base model functions as the computational reasoning engine. But the data infrastructure surrounding it determines whether the agent succeeds or fails in production.